Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate double tap feature on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, activating the double tap feature on your device can improve accessibility, streamline interactions, and provide an alternative method for performing actions, enhancing your overall user experience. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly open Settings app on your device. Okay, so on this page, scroll down please and then select Advanced Features option. Okay, so now look for Motion and Gestures menu. Tap on it. Okay, lastly you can activate the double tap feature by turn this toggle on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate double tap feature on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.